2023 Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Special Edition First Look International Motorcycle Rally in Mandello. The 2023 Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Special Edition has been revealed at the Guzzi World Days in the Città Della Moto Guzzi International Motorcycle Rally in Mandello del Lario, home to Moto Guzzi. The event celebrated the 100th anniversary of the Italian brand a year late due to public health restrictions. Based on the standard V7 Stone, the special edition enjoys enhanced hard parts and styling. Dual aero exhausts add about 1 horsepower and 1 foot-lb of torque to the V-twin's output, while looking purposeful in black. The new shining black paint is accented with red, thin stripes on the 5-gallon tank, the V7 on the side panels, seat stitching, and the shock springs. Details include bar end mirrors, black-anodized billet aluminum gas cap, valve covers painted in a new graphite color, black-anodized aluminum throttle body covers, and a plate on the handlebar clamp commemorating the special edition. We don't have a price or an arrival date in the United States. 2023 Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Special Edition Specs. Engine type: transverse 90-degree V-twin with longitudinal crank displacement, 853 cc bore X-stroke, 84 by 77 mm maximum power, 66 horsepower at 6,700 revolutions per minute maximum torque, 55 feet lbs at 5,000 revolutions per minute valvetrain, pushrod actuated 2 VPC fueling, FE with 38 mm Marelli throttle body transmission, 6-speed clutch, dry single-disc final drive, shaft chassis. Frame: tubular steel front suspension. Travel: non-adjustable 40 mm fork, 5.1 inches rear suspension. Travel: non-adjustable shocks, 4.7 inches wheels. Alloy tires: Dunlop Aeromax Street Smart front tire, 190 by 18 rear tire, 150/70 x17 front brakes, 320 mm disc with Brembo 4-piston caliper rear brake, 260 mm disc with 2-piston floating caliper ABS. Standard dimensions and capacities. Wheelbase: 57.1 inches rake, 28 degrees trail, 4.1 inches seat height, 30.7 inches fuel capacity, 5.5 gallons estimated fuel consumption, 48 mpg curb weight, 480 pounds color. Shining black price: $TBA MSRP.